This prize sends a simple message, which is a call to action for us at UNESCO. It underlines that science is a common good, one that must support the health of our societies and our planet.
The UNESCO Equatorial Guinea Prize for Research in Life Sciences serves as a catalyst, promoting excellence and inspiring future generations of scientists across the continent. It honors those who have dedicated themselves to advancing knowledge in fields that hold immense potential for addressing Africa's pressing challenges such as health, agriculture, and environmental sustainability.